Welcome to Unleash Your Voice, the show that helps you communicate with confidence and impact. Today, we're talking about a common problem: how to think faster and speak clearer. We've all been there: a sudden question, and your mind just goes blank. You trip over your words and end up rambling. But what if you could learn a simple trick to solve that? You can. It's called the 3-2-1 method. This isn't just for big speeches or presentations. It's a tool for everyday conversations, from the boardroom to the dinner table. It helps you sound confident and in control every single time. Let's break it down. The first part of this trick is all about the E3. And it's a bit of a secret weapon. It's about slowing down to speed up. When someone asks you a question or it's your turn to speak, don't rush. Give yourself 3 seconds to listen and process. Think of it like this: 1 second, you hear the words. 2 seconds, you understand the real meaning. What are they truly asking? 3 seconds, you connect it to what you know. This isn't about creating an awkward silence. It's about giving your brain a quick moment to catch up. This pause keeps you from interrupting and ensures you actually understand the question before you answer. Once you've used those critical 3 seconds to listen, you move to the or 2. In just 2 seconds, you'll quickly organize your thoughts. Focus on the main point you want to make. What's the core message? What's the one key idea you need to get across? Don't try to plan your entire response. Just find that single main idea. This simple mental step stops you from rambling and gives your words a clear direction. For example, if you're asked about a new project, your 2 seconds might be, "My main point is that we're on schedule," or "My main point is that we need to address the budget." It's simple, direct, and focused. Now, for the final step, the MOTS. 1. This is where you speak. In one clear statement, deliver that core message you just planned. Be direct and confident. If your core idea was, "We're on schedule," your sentence might be, "The project is on schedule and we're making excellent progress." If your idea was, "We need to address the budget," you could say, "We need to discuss the budget, as it's a key factor for success." Because you took the time to listen and find your main point, your final response will be clear. No filler, no confusion. Concise. Straight to the point. Confident. You know exactly what you want to say. So the next time you feel that pressure to speak, remember the 3-2-1 trick. 3 seconds to listen and understand. 2 seconds to find your main point. 1 clear statement to respond. Try this. You'll find yourself thinking faster, speaking clearer, and truly unleashing your voice in every conversation.